Alright guys, we're gonna run a test on my new onboard ARB air compressor. I've aired my tires down to 10 psi, and we're gonna test filling from 10 psi to 35 psi. So I turned on my compressor. Don't mind all the plastic dip that's worn off my wheels. Attach this guy here. Right. There we go. And you can tell it's right at 10 psi. And we'll go ahead and start. And these tires are 285/70/17s that are aired down to 10 psi right now. And right at 20 psi at about a minute. Right at a little above 30, like 31 psi. And that was right about 2 minutes. Almost there. And that should be right there at 35 psi. So it was about just about exactly 2 minutes and 36 seconds to go from 10 psi to 35 psi with it.